Today I'm in sunny Southern California working, and I thought I'd take a minute to come out to the beach to talk to you about a really important topic, liens. I'm sure you're excited to hear about liens. If you're like most business owners, you don't think about liens that may have been placed on the assets of your business or even the membership units or the shares that you own in your corporation. But it's a great idea every now and then to pay attention to liens, because as we know in the acquisitions industry, liens can be an important part of refinancing, selling your business, or trying to get a simple new loan for growth or for your operations. We've seen some crazy things when it comes to liens, lien priority, and frankly some things that have been filed incorrectly from time to time. And I wanted to bring it up to your attention because this just happened most recently on a transaction that we were working with, and it really caused a lot of delay in closing. So it's a good topic to come across every now and then just to pay attention to it. First, let's go back and remember, what is a lien exactly? Well, when you go to get a loan, your creditor is going to file a lien against your assets and or your company shares or membership units, so that if you don't pay them back, they can go through the court system and claim your assets so then they can be repaid for the debt that you owe them. It sounds pretty normal so far. Well, the trick is, in the court system, there are certain priorities based on the timing of those liens that have been filed. And if you repay that debt in full, there's no real incentive for the creditor to release that lien unless you specifically ask for them to do so. And this can happen with suppliers also. So what do you do? Well, the first thing you need to do is figure out what liens are actually tied to your business, which liens have been filed. You may not get notified when a lien is filed against the assets of your business. And the best way to do that is to start with your Secretary of State's website and see if you can do a lien search from there. Some states are easier than others, so if you need the help of your business attorney, engage them to do a quick lien search. It shouldn't cost too much money, and they can tell you what liens have been filed against your business. Now, the second step is to take those liens and to ask yourself, are they correct? One time we saw a lien that had been filed on a completely wrong entity because someone transposed two of the digits in the EIN. And so we had to work just to get that corrected with the proper authorities and prove the case that, hey, this isn't even the right business for which this lien was attached. You might find liens that were correct at one time, but maybe you've paid off the debt. And if that's the case, then you need to work internally with that company to get that lien terminated or released. The third thing is, once you go through that process, you may have to do some escalations and get that cleaned up prior to doing any new additional financing activity, including selling your company. More than likely, a buyer's not going to want to buy the assets of your business if there are previous liens on them that can't be removed or resolved, so that they can get a new lien placed on it when they finance the acquisition. At Black Diamond Mergers and Acquisitions, we've seen a lot of different transactions, a lot of different lien confusion. If you don't get ahead of it, it can really cause some severe delays. So I'm here to tell you, it's a good idea to do this at least annually as a part of your business planning process. Check and see what liens you have on your business, if they're correct, if they're not. Now here's some tips that you know how to go get that resolved so that it doesn't cause you headaches down the road. If there's anything we can do for you, certainly let us know. We're here to help any way possible. All right, signing off from Southern California. Until next time.